Hello kiddos, let's learn numbers. First of all, let's learn colors name. Sky blue color, dark blue color, parrot color, dark pink color, purple color, brown color, dark green color, yellow color, orange color, light pink color, black color and red color. Pink color. 1. This is 1. 1. Red color. 2. This is 2. This is 2. Sky blue color. 3. This is 3. 3. 3. Parrot color. 4. So this is our 4. 4. Orange color. 5. This is our 5. 5. Yellow color. 6. 6. This is 6. Brown color. 7. This is our 7. Dark green color. 8. So this is how we write 8. Pink color. 9. So this is our 9. Red color. Now we are writing 10. So 1 and 0. 10. Dark pink color. Now we will write 11. So 1 and 1. 11. Sky blue color. Now we will write 12. 1 and 2. 12. Orange color. 13. 1, 3, 13. Yellow color. 14. 1, 4. This is our 4. 1 for 14. Dark green color. 15. 1, 5, 15. Parrot color. 16. So how we write 16? 1 and 6. 1, 6, 16. Brown color. 17. 1, 7. 1 7 17. Sky blue color 18. 1. Then we will write 8. 1. This is 8. 1 8 18. Now dark green color. So now we will write 19. 1 and 9. 19. So last one is orange color, and we will write 20. 2 0 20. So let's repeat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.